Taking a deep inhale and a complete exhale. And if this is your first time in meditation, know that there's no wrong start. It's just about relaxing. It's about becoming fully present. It's about arriving in this moment with nothing to do but breathe. So we close our outer eyes and we open our inner awareness. As we deeply inhale, we raise the crown of the head high. And as we exhale, we just relax the stomach and let every last bit of breath out. Finding a rhythm to the inhale and the exhale. And allowing that rhythm to draw us fully into this moment. To the mind that is so often overthinking, worrying, we say, peace, be still. We say yes to the invitation to lean into the stillness. To allow the body to become still. And bring our attention into that stillness to notice how quiet the stillness is, even in the body. Relaxing into the breathing invites the mind to follow into a state of relaxation. Begin to notice the space between thoughts and savor that space. The space is expanding. Allowing us to just simply be, with nothing to do, nothing to think. We're simply creating space, trusting the stillness does what the stillness does. It harmonizes mind, body, spirit. It releases that which is unnecessary. It unravels what is ready to be undone. It gives breath to life. It releases tension and toxins. And in the midst of all that, it nourishes. Like fertilizing the soil with good nutrients. The silence nourishes. This being, this body temple, this mind, this emotional field, this life. And all we need to do is show up and breathe into the silence. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.